If you've typed Share Trading Course Australia into YouTube, you've already seen the noise. 2-day seminars promising you'll quit your job by Friday. Fake gurus, quick fix systems. Screenshots of profits that never existed. I've spent over 30 years in this industry, and I'm going to tell you something most people selling courses never will. Success in the market isn't about learning more secrets. It's about applying what you know with a real understanding of yourself. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly what a genuine share trading education looks like, what to avoid, and how long it really takes. No hype, let's go. Quick bit about why you should listen. I'm Dale Gillham, I'm the Chief Analyst and Responsible Manager at Wealth Within, and I've been Head Trainer of Wealth Within Institute, a registered training organisation since 2005. I wrote How to Beat the Managed Funds by 20%, which sold over 24,000 copies, and the award-winning Accelerate Your Wealth. You may have seen me on Sky Business, the ABC, Money Magazine's website, or quoted in the Financial Review and Bloomberg. But here's the part that actually matters to you. Years ago, I got fed up with an industry drowning in marketing gimmicks. So we built something different. The only government-accredited share market education in Australia at diploma level. Not a weekend seminar, a real recognised qualification. That's the lens I'm bringing to this video for you. Let's talk about the courses you're comparing right now. Most fall into 3 traps. 1, they sell speed. Learn to trade in 2 days. That's nonsense. You wouldn't learn to fly a plane in 2 days, and your money's more important than that. 2, they sell the wrong vehicle. A lot of these courses push high leverage Forex and CFDs at complete beginners. That's not investing, that's speculation at its riskiest, and it's why so many people lose money and walk away believing the market is a casino. 3, they have no accountability, no accreditation, no track record, no regulator looking over their shoulder. If it goes wrong, they're gone. So my simple test before you pay for any share trading course in Australia, is the educator regulated? Do they actually invest their own money in the market? And is the qualification recognised, or is it just a certificate they printed themselves? If a course can't answer those 3 questions, keep your wallet closed. Now let me show you the other side. Proper share market education does 3 things. First, it teaches you to think for yourself. My goal has never been for you to depend on me. It's for you to become so confident and competent that you can manage your own money and stop handing it to funds that underperform. Second, it's structured. When we built the Diploma of Share Trading and Investment, we didn't throw random YouTube tips at you. We created a curriculum, a proper learning pathway that takes you from the fundamentals right through to managing a real portfolio with confidence. Third, it focuses on wealth, not gambling. The whole point is to build and keep your money, not blow it chasing the next hot tips. The market is generally one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth when you have the skill and the temperament to do it properly. Before you roll in anything, you've got 2 questions in your head. Now let me answer them honestly. How long will it take? Anyone who says days is lying. In my experience teaching thousands of traders, realistically, you're looking at around 12 months to become genuinely confident and consistent with the right education guiding you. That sounds like a long time until you realise that it's a blip against the decades of better financial decisions. You're learning a skill for life. How much money do I need to start? Well, less than you think. And this is important. You do not need a fortune. What you need first is the education. Because the biggest mistake beginners make is risking real capital before they've built any skill. Learn first, practice, then commit your money with confidence, not hope. And one more truth, you've got to actually want this. If you have no interest in the markets, you're better off investing in what you love and getting help with your money. But if you're curious, if you're sitting here watching, you can absolutely do this. So what does a genuine share trading course actually teach you? Here's a short version. You'll learn to read the market, to understand price trends and what the charts are really telling you without drowning in jargon. You'll learn to identify quality opportunities, knowing the difference between a strong stock and a value trap, and what to enter and exit. You'll learn risk management, how to protect your capital so that no single decision can hurt you. This is the part the gimmick courses skip, and it's the part that keeps you in the game. You'll learn to build and manage a portfolio, not just a trade, but invest with a strategy that compounds your wealth over time. And critically, you'll learn the psychology, because the hardest part of the market isn't the charts, it's managing yourself. Like I always say, knowledge alone won't make you successful. Applying it with an understanding of yourself will. If everything I've said resonates, here's your next steps. The Diploma of Share Trading and Investment is the qualification we built to do exactly what I've described. Take you from wherever you are now to a confident, capable, independent investor. It's government accredited. It's delivered by people who actually trade and invest their own money. And it's designed around your success, not a sales funnel. This is the education I wish existed when I started 30 years ago. So while everyone else is selling you a 2-day shortcut, I'm inviting you to do this properly, once, and never have to chase another guru again. The link to the diploma is in the description below, or head to wealthwithin.com.au. Take a look at the course outline, and if you've got questions, our team are real people you can actually talk to. Look, the share market can genuinely transform your finances, but only if you learn it the right way from people who are accountable to you. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of the gimmicks too. I'm Dale Gillham. Invest in your education first, and the returns will follow.